tired. I just feel the pressure of the thing that I have in mind. I wanted peace, I wanted to be fine. I wonder why I cannot just sit for a while. I really want to see what it looks like, to have a moment I knew that would be mine. When the windows are all closed, like a picture of the time when the future is the whole you're looking for. Save me from everything, tell me where to find my way. I'm just looking for something I can make it another day. 'Cause I'm falling down, fading away. 'Cause I'm falling down, this is what I know, I just keep running. I was working fast and hard, never thinking about now, but living unhappy thanks to all the things that I have to try. I wanted peace, I wanted to be fine. I wonder why I cannot just sit for a while. I really want to see what it looks like, to have a moment I know that would be mine, would be mine. Save me from everything, tell me where to find my way. I'm just looking for something I can make it another day. 'Cause I'm falling down, fading away. 'Cause I'm falling down, this is what I know, I just keep running. If I survive, if I am strong, why do I feel I never glow? But I survive, and I'll be strong. Save me from everything, tell me where to find my way. I'm just looking for something I can make it another day. 'Cause I'm falling down, fading away. 'Cause I'm falling down, this is what I know, I just keep running. I keep running. 'Cause I'm falling down, fading away. 'Cause I'm falling down, this is what I know, I just keep running.
Hello viewers, and welcome to part 3 of the F-16 Fighting Falcon, where the aircraft is finally finished and it's ready to go to be hung up on the roof of my bedroom to join all the other aircraft there. And as you can see, the stickers are finally put on and it's ready to go, as I said before. So I'll just go over quickly key things about this aircraft. Some of the stickers here, including these tiny ones here underneath the fuel tank, were a bit difficult to put on. However, though, I did manage to get them on eventually, thanks to a trick that I found that a lot of professional modelers used to get the stickers on, even on the most difficult of places. And even here in this little antenna here, I forgot to put it on in the last part, but I got it on now, and there it is, drying away there. Also, some of these tiny stickers here were also a little tedious to get on. However, though, once again, using a little trick that I demonstrated in an upcoming clip, I managed to get the stickers on eventually. Also, there's another thing I use. Remember back in the video of the F4, I complained a lot about the stickers coming off because they're about falling off. Well, there was actually a little trick that my dad showed me called PVA glue. You might use PVA glue a lot for a lot of things. However, Dad suggested I try this trick here for PVA glue, which is non-toxic water-based glue. So that way I was able to get the stickers on properly, and now there they are, sticking away like magic. They're staying on perfectly well here. And here's a clip of me showing you how I use this little trick to and get the PVA glue on perfectly. Okay, everyone. So this is a little trick that my dad taught me, how I could get the stickers on more better. So what this trick is that I'm using warm water as well as some PVA glue here to try and to help the sticker stay on better. So the first thing we do is that we take a bit of PVA glue, we just put a little bit into it, like so, maybe a little drop. You don't want to put too much in because that will ruin the stickers on you, so just a little tiny drop, like so. Got a little bit gone on there. Now you just want to mix up a bit. Give it a little stir so that way it sticks properly. Next, we take a sticker, any sticker here that we're going to use for the F16. In this case, I'm going to take sticker number 7. Now, next thing is very simple. You want to leave it in the water for about 10 to 15 seconds, depending. In this case, I'll leave it in for about 10 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go for 15 just to be safe. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, there it is. That's 15 seconds. Now, will it come off? Should do. And so that's sticker number 7. It goes on this side here. There we go. And one trick I saw a couple of professionals do is that they have a paintbrush and they will stick it on like so. I'll turn it around so that you can see better. Basically what I saw, oh sorry, I didn't mean to drop the nail clippers there, but and then they would just brush it off like so. Or just move it a bit there just to be safe. And then oh god, I'm dropping things all over the place now, huh? So we just want to just get in there, and there we go. There we are. First sticker is on. So that's a little trick that I used. And now that PVA glue is going to ensure that sticker stays on. So that way it will give it some extra bit of stickiness, as they say. So I hope you enjoyed this part 3 of me building the F-16 Fighting Falcon. Join me next time when we'll be building the the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. This is probably the biggest aircraft, well, this is the biggest aircraft that I'm about to build. However, this will not be built till after Christmas because how big this aircraft is, I imagine it will take me a long time for me to get this aircraft finished. So I'll wait till after Christmas to get this aircraft, to get started on this aircraft. For now though, I can be proud of my work on my favorite fighter jet of all time. Honestly, I would love to see a DLC for this aircraft in DCS. If Eagle Dynamics come out with a DLC for this aircraft and a reasonable price, say maybe 40-30 euro, then I'll be more than happy to, or maybe even 20-30 euro for that matter. I'll be more than happy to buy the aircraft as DLC. But for now though, thanks for watching, and until my next video guys, I will see you soon.